B9Creations, the first company to combine high resolution and affordability in the 3D printing industry, is once again redefining expectations. We've taken feedback from thousands of businesses around the world to create a 3D printing system designed unlike any other. The B9 Core Series is engineered to bring you a fast, dependable, and easy-to-use solution while delivering unmatched precision and the best value in professional 3D printing.
I've seen jewelry over the years really transform. When I first got into it, everything was metal fabricated or wax carved. Then into the 90s, you started seeing some wax mills come on the market. And then after that, 3D printing world came on the scene. Over the years, I've worked with a lot of the product that's coming out as far as 3D printing. Some of the machines that are $40,000, $50,000 that have service contracts tied to them. And I've also worked with some of the machines that are $3,000 and $4,000 and $5,000. And you can see there's a wide variety of options out there. The most important factor when choosing a 3D printer is the ease of use, how easy it is to use, how quickly you can get up to speed on operating the machine. It needs to be able to be run by just about anybody in the factory, so you're not taking that high-paid person off the bench or off the computer and devoting them to running the machine. The speed that these machines put the product out is pretty important as well. I've worked with machines that sometimes it'll take 70 or 80 hours to get your product out, and sometimes it'll take 1 or 2 or 3 hours. Say you're working on a series of pieces and you're waiting 70 hours for them to come out, and they come out and they've failed, then you just lost a whole bunch of time, and you've got to redo those pieces and then wait another couple of days for the product to come out. And a lot of times, especially in custom orders in a retail shop, you don't have that time. Time is of the essence. If you can get a machine that's plug and play, it's going to be reliable. And I think reliability and dependability is huge when you're working with manufacturers and with custom orders. I've been working with the B9 machine for a couple of years now, and the resins that are coming out of B9 right now are far and above what a lot of the other companies are coming out with.
The B9 Core Series makes printing easier than ever before by incorporating a new user interface and eliminating the complexities of tuning and calibration. Its improved technology optimizes build speeds without sacrificing the highest resolution and smoothest surface finish you've seen at any price. Built around an industrial LED light engine, the B9 Core Series is 4 times faster than the industry average, with build speeds reaching 100 millimeters an hour. This exceptional speed allows you to print hundreds of models in a typical 8 to 10 hour workday. Whether you choose the B9 Core 530 for intricate custom models or the B9 Core 550 for its larger build volume and production capacity, we offer a solution to meet your business's needs. The B9 Core Series further enhances productivity with Ethernet, USB, and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing multiple users to connect to multiple machines in a fast-paced, scalable manufacturing environment. In addition, the B9 Core Series comes without the shackles of software fees, maintenance agreements, or overpriced materials. And to ensure your satisfaction, every B9 Core Series comes with factory startup assistance. If you're looking for the best in production capacity, output quality, and user experience, the B9 Core Series is the clear choice for professional 3D printing.